Hi guys, welcome to the fourth module of Autodesk Revit. This module will be talking about modeling of walls and modification of walls. So make sure your units are set to meters. To create walls, go to the architecture section and click on the drop down here. You get three types here. You'll be using architecture walls here. So you'll be getting this properties section here. Then we'll be going with the same wall. We'll be going with 200 mm. And if you need to change the thickness of the walls, then you should go to edit type here and you'll be getting the properties of the wall. So if you need to change the dimension of the wall, then you should first duplicate. Then if you need a dimension to be 150 mm, what? Okay. Then I need to go to structures, edit, and we'll be getting this kind of dialog box. I need to change the thickness here to 150 mm. Okay, and then to change the type material of the wall, I should click this three button. So we'll be going with concrete brick wall here. Type brick, select the wall, check on the render appearance here, and then click on OK. We'll be getting the material of the wall as brick wall, and then click on OK. These section will be seeing in the next class, the modification part, and click on OK and OK. And yeah, so make sure that this is selected as height and not as width, because if we are currently in level 1 and if you select height, the wall will have the base as level 1 and it will be created as the height, and the height would be this 8 meters. So I'll change it to 4 meters here, and the height of the wall will be 4 meters. And if you go with depth here and yeah, then you'll get a error here. So you should make sure that you keep this as height, and 4 meters, and then check the chain option here. I'll explain what the chain option is for. Now we can start creating the wall. So this is how you create the wall. If you want to see the realistic view, go here and select the realistic view. And then to see it in a 3D view, select this in 3D option. So this is the 3D view. I'll open the realistic. So you can see the brick wall. I will change the characteristics. Return the view. So I'll be showing you what the chain option is for. I'll delete this. And I'll be creating wall again using the same material. This time I'll uncheck this and I'll show. Now when I create the wall and you can't get a continuous wall here. Every time you have to start again. But if you click on chain option and you just drag and when you stop you can get the another wall at the same moment. You don't have to click again. So that is what's changes. So I'll be showing you how this allow join status works. I'll click on this allow here and just drag. You can clearly see the difference. The joints are not a join here, like every wall is different. And here you can see the walls are joined, and here we have a opening here. So that is what allow join does. Now if you see on the installation, you can see the wall height is 4 meters as suggested. So this is the basic modeling of